packing box, storage bag, multimeter, manual, temperature line, watch pen, data cable, complete accessories, USB lithium battery direct charging, plug and play, bid farewell to the battery era, convenient and fast. Engine speed detection. Select the appropriate engine stroke. If the car is using the DIS distributor-less ignition system, connect the red dial to the tach signal line. If the car is to use a distributor ignition system, the red dial is connected to the negative end of the ignition coil primary. The black watch pen is connected to a well-grounded terminal of the car battery. Measure the rotational speed of the engine while it is running. Read the engine speed value from the display screen. Engine closure angle detection. Select the appropriate number of cylinders for measurement. Measure the ignition closing angle of the engine while it is running. After completing all operations, disconnect the pen from the circuit under test. Automotive pulse width detection. Switch to pulse gear. The black watch pen is connected to the ground terminal of the car. The red gauge pen is connected to the electromagnetic drive input line of the fuel injector. Start the engine and measure the pulse width time. Temperature. Switch to the corresponding gear and contact the measured object with the thermocouple. It can detect the car air conditioner temperature and engine temperature. DC current. The watch pen is inserted into the current port. Switch to the corresponding gear and connect the line in series as shown in the video. Supports data retention mode. AC current. Switch to the corresponding gear and connect the line in series as shown in the video. MA DC current. Put on the crocodile clip. The operation is more convenient. Switch to the corresponding gear and connect the line in series as shown in the video. MA AC current. Switch to the corresponding gear and connect the line in series as shown in the video. NCV induction. Switch to the corresponding gear, and a beep will sound when a nearby AC voltage is sensed. Zero firewire judgment. Switch to the corresponding gear and use the red pen to detect. The live wire will beep, but the zero wire will not respond. DC voltage. Switch to the corresponding gear, and the watch pen corresponds to the positive and negative electrodes of the battery. AC voltage. Switch to the corresponding gear, and the general household voltage is around 220V. There will be a slight delay in the measurement, which does not affect the accuracy of the values. MA DC voltage. Switch to the corresponding gear and operate as shown in the video. Resistance. Switch to the corresponding gear, and the stylus can contact both ends of the resistance. Buzzer. Switch to the corresponding gear and test the on-off beep. A beep indicates normal and unobstructed, and a silent sound indicates damage. Capacitance. Switch to the corresponding gear, and the watch pen can contact both ends of the capacitor. A short discharge is required before the test. Diodes. Switch to the corresponding gear, and the watch pen corresponds to the positive and negative electrodes of the diode. Frequency. Switch to the corresponding gear and operate as shown in the video.